You will be provided with one layout drawing, PCB drawing, and also the list of components, that is called bill of materials. So you are supposed to check the actual components with reference to the drawing and with reference to bill of materials. Ensure that they match. If by chance any mistake is there, like any wrong component being given to you compared to the drawing and bill of materials, please immediately print the note. And the workstation where you will be working on is provided with the ESD mat, soldering station, bits, magnifier, fume absorber, and of course cleaning tray and cleaning solvent. Now all these items you should be familiar to use properly, okay? And even before you start the activity, there are certain steps required for providing the ESD protection, okay? Now the task for the test has got 10 different steps. I read up. One is checking the component list. Second is the preparing the PCB for the assembly activity. Then component preparation, some component lead formation, tinning if required. Wire preparation, similarly wire stripping, wire strand formation and so on. And the actual component assembly, that is component mounting. Ensure that table is clean, and debris, if anything is on the table, don't leave the debris on the table, as well as don't throw it on the floor. You put them all into the trash bin provided under the table. Ensure that the ESD accessories provided are put back in the designated spots. Okay? Finger cuts you should discard and put it back to the trash bin. Return the tool kit and the assembled board to the observer after you complete the test. Don't have any confusion. And all the participants, you will receive certificate of participation. Please collect your certificate before you leave the spot. 2 contestants will be selected from this, one winner and one runner in this sprint round, and they will be participating in the final contest. Maybe in another 10 days time it may be held. Okay? Participants ready?
1-5.
Okay, start. You have 30 minutes. Start. Please note down the time. Start time.
12-5. You should close the discussion.
Thank